It's Dr. Rob with your 2-minute tip. Today we're going to be talking about the two most important things in your self-care arsenal. We're always recommending taking care of yourself in between visits. So we always recommend that everybody have a foam roller as well as a lacrosse ball or a massage ball. So something like this, something you can work on. The tissues, release things, get them moving in between. I call the foam roller, it's the toothbrush for your muscles. So it's something you're going to use on an everyday basis for 1 to 2 minutes, getting into those tight spots, the ones you need the absolute most. That's going to make all the difference in the world, and it prevents the cumulative buildup of wear and tear, all the stuff that eventually leads to pain and injuries. Just like brushing your teeth, you're preventing the wear and tear or the buildup of plaque that leads to the cavity. So it's the exact same thing. The biggest obstacle that we always talk to people about is actually incorporating this into your life and trying to make it a habit. Everybody goes, I get into bed and I forget and there's no way I'm getting out of bed. And I don't blame them. So with myself, what I actually do to make this a habit is I have to make it easy, convenient, and build it into my routines in life already. So what this means for the ball, so I highly recommend using the ball on the bottom of your foot. I actually keep this ball right beside my toothbrush. So I actually go to brush my teeth at the end of the day, and I see the ball, I'm like, all right. And so I'll actually roll the bottom of my feet, loosen them up for 1 to 2 minutes while I'm brushing my teeth. And it incorporates into a habit I'm already doing as well. The other one that I really recommend and I use is you'll see the foam roller in the background. If you're like me, you've got a bunch of decorative pillows on your couch for whatever reason, which makes it highly inconvenient to actually sit down. It means I have to move around like 3-4 pillows just to actually sit down on my couch to watch some football. What I actually started doing is I put the foam roller on my couch. It annoys the heck out of my wife, but it's very useful. So at the end of my day, when I get the kids down and I'm ready to sit on the couch and crash and read or relax, then I'm staring that foam roller square in the face, and I know I got to spend my 1 to 2 minutes per body part on that foam roller. Okay? Try these tricks, incorporate them in your life, and hopefully they make a difference. Have a great week.